Well, here I am. It's opening day of the 2021 golf season. I'm here with my daughter Macy. Life does not get any better than this for me. This is the opening day of the 2021 golf season. This is better than Christmas for me. Mace, we're gonna head out and gonna go talk to some golfers on the golf course.
Okay, and?
Is that gonna be fun? And see how their golf was.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's head out and go see some people, okay?
Yeah.
I love opening day. Just to see the excitement on everybody's faces, the opportunity to be able to get out and say hi to everybody after a winter. Opening day is the best day of the year.
What is it like playing after a long season in Calgary?
Very angsty.
Very angsty.
Ready to get out.
Ready to get out and play, right?
Oh yeah.
Exciting doesn't do it justice.
Right.
That's what I would say.
And what about for you, sir?
Yeah, long winter, super exciting.
Awesome. Unreal. Can't complain, right?
Right on.
It's fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Ask for a better day. It's beautiful.
Isn't it perfect out? It is.
For my playing mates, everything else is good.
Except,
You need a little cutting room.
did you hear that? He said he didn't like his playing mates. Maybe he'll come play with me this year. Are you getting fun to go golfing with Dad too this year?
Oh, yes.
Oh yes, me too.
You're funny, Dad.
I'm funny.
Yeah.
You're funny.
You're funny.
Mace, thanks for coming with me today.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And you know what? I hope you can come with me again soon. Will you come with me again soon?
Sure.
Yeah. Thanks so much, because guess what?
What?
We're gonna plan on doing this a lot this season, right? Yes. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. It was a ton of fun for Macy and I. Opening day, along with one of my favorites, my daughter. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. All it takes is to click a button. Of course, it really helps if you would click that like button, that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, Macy.
Bye.